Happy winter, everybody. Us in Florida, we still don't know what winter is, but all around the country we know it's pretty cold. There's a lot of snow going on. But here we're still building motors in this beautiful weather. I've been blessed. We built another one of our 347s. Happened to be a very popular package. Happens to be a sniper fuel system on here. All of our engines are custom built to order. So if there's anything we can help you with, give us a call and enjoy our videos. Peace. Hi, Mike. Got your 65 Ford Falcon motor here. Happens to be one of our 347s. Gonna fire it up, give you a run demo. How's that for firing?